Welcome to this Napkin AI tutorial where I'm going to teach you how to use Napkin AI. Navigate to your browser and in the address bar type in napkin.ai. This should take you to the login page. So this is the Napkin AI website. Click on Get Napkin Free. It will take us to the sign in where we have the option of signing in with Google or with email. I have chosen to use my Google account. So I'll click on my Google account and accept. It will load and take us to the dashboard. There are some questions which we have to answer. Click on Next. Select those that apply and then click on Next again. Select and click on Next and done. Click on Create My First Napkin. So we can either use AI or have text prepared beforehand. I'm going to use AI, and the topic I'd choose is the top 10 most important historic moments. It should generate for us some text that we can use. Click on Continue. There we have it. That's the entirety of the text, all in sections. So for each section, you generate visuals by clicking the blue button. It's currently generating. There we have, it has generated, and there's different styles from which to choose. You can scroll to explore and click to actually view the specific style you want. That's the logo of the heading, so we can actually click on that and edit it. So there's brightness and also color. You can change the color. There's all kinds of colors. So you select the one you want. There's also the shape, the thickness of the logo, of the icon, the shape, whether it's rounded, sharp, or marker style. And we can even hover over the thunder icon and do a search to find something that we prefer more. Let me search for rainbow. So I can choose one of these. It changes immediately. I can change the color. So we can even export that generated image in PNG, SVG, PDF, or PPT formats. I can do the same for the second section. I just hover over click on the blue icon. And it's generating. It's taking some time. There we have it. So we have all those visuals, and we just hover over the style and we'd be able to choose whichever one we want. There's several different styles. We can also spark search. There's label, you can label it, sketch, or add an image. Click on image, you can upload an image, drag and drop an image, or even copy paste one. Yeah, so we would do that for all these sections. So for each section, if we want, we can add an image. To the left, there's a library, which would show us the previous projects we've been working on, the previous napkins. We can actually add a comment. You can see on the right, there's that yellow button where we can click on and add a comment. The top right, there's styles, and there's also share. So that should enable you to share this with a colleague or somebody you're working with. So if we click on share, you'd be able to get a link, and you can control who can view or edit this napkin. You can even download this as a PDF. So we can even see who can. Let's export this as a PDF. So if you're on the free plan, it would still come with the napkin logo.